In this video, I'm literally gonna be teaching you guys what support and resistance is, how to know the support and resistance that's gonna hold. At the same time, I'm literally gonna show you how to spot them out on the real chart. I'm light for it, so without being said, let's dive straight into this video. Alright guys, welcome back. This is gonna be a briefly explanation before going to my chart. So what is support and what is resistance? Support literally means support. Sound crazy, right? And resistance means something that resists. Support is something that literally supports something. And lest I forget, support or resistance also mean area of interest. So area of interest is literally where you wanna buy or you literally want to sell, and that also acts as support and resistance. For instance, when we talk about support, let's say you place a ball on a table. That table is literally supporting the ball, from falling from the table. So the table is acting as support. And when we talk about resistance as well, if you stay under a table, how can you literally jump? Yeah, you stay under a table, so how can you literally jump? So that table is literally gonna be resisting you. It's gonna allow you to jump. So that's what support and resistance mean. And this video, I'm literally gonna break it down how to use support and resistance, to align with your trading and make a good money off of it. Alright guys, welcome back. And as I said earlier, I'm literally gonna be talking about support and resistance. Support and resistance also mean area of interest. That is where you literally want to be buying or you literally want to be selling. And what I mean by support is literally what that supports something. At the same time, when I mean by resistance, it means something that resists. And note that support can literally turn to resistance and resistance can literally turn to support. So let's start with when we're dealing with a support, where we actually need support in the market. So you literally have to apply this to your strategy because it's literally going to help you. In the support, you literally want to be buying. You try want to buy from the support. Let's say the market is bullish. In this scenario, it's bullish, creating highs, lows, higher high. As a trader, for you to join the trend, you literally have to wait for the market to retrace back to a level of support before you look for entry and buy. What I mean is that when market is bullish, creating highs and lows, and you have literally not watched any video concerning market structure, I make that, so make sure you go watch and learn better. So when it comes to support, you literally want to buy from the support of the market, where market is probably going to retrace to have a little pullback before it has its next push to the upside. And when we're talking about resistance, it's also an area of interest, right? So you literally have to, that's going to be if the market is trending downward, creating lows, creating lower highs, lower at this lower high, that is literally when you want to be entering the market. And at the same time, this lower is not just any random place or area in the market. It's literally the previous level of resistance. This is where the market literally broke and it has to retest it before having its next push. So this is the support and resistance. This is the area referring to as support and resistance. It's literally the place where you literally want to be buying or you literally want to be selling in the market. In a bullish scenario, you literally want to be buying. That is when the market is bullish, creating highs and creating higher highs. You literally have to do with higher highs in an uptrend, and in a downtrend you literally want to be dealing with the lower lows. So the area of interest or support and resistance is the region or a particular point where you literally want to be buying or selling the market. So it's as easy as that. In the support, you literally want to wait for the market to retest to a zone where you want to be buying, and in a downtrend you literally have to wait for the market to retrace as well to the area in which you're going to be interested in selling the market. And guys, please, if you haven't watched video concerning market structure, make sure you go watch that right now. I've literally dropped it since about 1 hour, so go learn from this video. Alright, sorry guys, there's a link in the description box right now to my Telegram channel where I normally used to drop free signals, free update to traders who are in need of money. just copy my trade for free. It's literally free. So, and you're gonna make, you're gonna see the result yourself. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I believe by now you'll be able to identify support and resistance very well yourself and how to use them correctly. Also, support and resistance also mean area of interest. So please guys, if you find this video so helpful to you, make sure you don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe, and also share this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.